Oh yeah.
Boo!
What are you doing in there?
Were you snoring? Did you snore?
Did Daisy go bye-byes?
Should I shut the door again?
Yeah, we.
Bye. Knock knock. Hello.
Are you snoring? You silly baby.
Are you going to come out and we'll get dressed?
No.
No? Alright then, bye.
Daddy. Bye-bye.
Knock knock. Who's that?
You silly Billy.